Dreaming of plump, hydrated skin? Then you need to try the Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This isn't just any serum. It's a powerful barrier repair formula that leaves your skin feeling instantly supple and dewy to the touch. Experience targeted anti-aging benefits as it works to visibly plump fine lines and restore lost elasticity, giving you a more youthful appearance. What makes it truly special is its blend of ultra-hydrating pure hyaluronic acid, soothing metacasicide, and fortifying vitamin B5, all designed for maximum effectiveness and sensitivity. Dermatologist tested and loved by all skin types, including sensitive. It delivers rich, plump hydration without feeling heavy or oily. So many of you are already seeing amazing results. 90% reported more hydrated, softer, and supple skin in just 4 weeks. If you're searching for a solution to dehydrated skin, fine lines, or loss of volume, this serum is your answer. Ready to transform your skin? Click the Amazon link in the description below to get yours today. For visibly plumper, more radiant skin, I highly recommend the Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum.